How to write a cover letter in easy step-by-step format. There are cover letter resources and examples at the end of this video. Step 1. Start with a strong introduction. 1. Your introduction should be no more than 3 to 4 sentences long. 2. It should grab the hiring manager's attention and make them want to read more. 3. You can do this by highlighting your most relevant skills and experience, or by expressing your enthusiasm for the position and the company. Step 2. Summarize your qualifications. 1. This section should be no more than 2 to 3 paragraphs long. 2. It should briefly outline your skills, experience, and education that make you a good fit for the job. 3. Be sure to use keywords from the job description throughout this section. Step 3. Explain why you're interested in the company. 1. This section should be no more than 1 to 2 paragraphs long. 2. It should explain why you're interested in working for the company and what you find appealing about them. 3. You can talk about their products or services, their mission statement, or anything else that you find appealing about the company. Step 4. Close with a call to action. 1. Your call to action should be clear and direct. 2. Tell the hiring manager what you're hoping for in terms of next steps. 3. Do you want them to contact you for an interview? Do you want to send them your resume? Be clear and direct in your call to action. Here are some additional tips for writing a cover letter. 1. Use a professional font and format. 2. Proofread your letter carefully before submitting it. 3. Tailor your letter to each specific job application. 4. Keep your letter concise and to the point. 5. Use active voice and strong verbs. 6. Be enthusiastic and positive. Cover letter example number 1. Cover letter example number 2. Resources to create free cover letters. www.canva.com/create/cover-letters myzoomstar.com